Hi guys! So papasok na tayo. Naku, ang hirap-hirap. Wait guys ha, baka tayo madapa. Hi! Hello! Say hi! Si Gian, oo. Hello guys! Okay, this is me, Dr. Johan, known as Dr. Y. So alam nyo ba guys, naku galing lang ako sa labas. Look guys, ang ulan-ulan. Ito na, kailangan ko na i-embrace maging vlogger. Ang hirap-hirap pala guys. Diyos ko Lord. Kanina pa ako tense na tense ha. So guys, so I have a special treat for you. Oo, yay! To you all! So guys, andito ako sa isang favorite coffee shop ko dito sa Tacloban. Oh, wait, nahirapan akong makita. So I'm here in Rich Chad Coffee. Oh, I love their tagline. Winner na winner. Your coffee place away from diba? Bonggang-bongga. Oh guys, don't forget to visit here, okay? Oh guys, ngawit na yung ano ka ha. Buti na lang hindi kita yung kilikili ko, baka nyo makita if maputi o maitim. So guys, naku daddy, halika na, nahihirapan na ako. Saan pa ako Okay. 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 Thank you. Oh. Okay guys, let's get started with financial insights and strategies and let the role bowling begin. First is Miss Kichi and Filio. Yay! Hello, Ate Kit! Doktora! Yes! Welcome to my ever first Dr. Y Skin Talk.
Thank you for inviting me, Doktora. Doktora, ano
Yes.
ang latest na chika?
Ay, eto, ang latest na chika. Ikaw ang chichikahin ko. Okay. So, dapat ready ka.
I'll be ready, Doktora.
Yes, with the latest Marites and chika.
Correct.
Okay. So, second, also a good friend of mine, also a financial advisor, no other than Kuya Deo Facture. Yay, Kuya! Welcome
Thank
to
you for
my
inviting
first
me.
ever Dr. Y Skin
Yes,
Talks.
I'm excited daw. Hindi ako masyadong pag-prepare.
Oo, tingnan mo, parang planchado lahat. Okay.
Thank you daw.
Yes. So number 3, the third one is also a very, very good friend of mine and also one of my financial advisor, no other than Miss Zara Mercado. Woo! Wait lang, Ate Kit.
for having me.
Yes.
Thank you so
Oo, thank you. So welcome. Oo, parati talaga akong sinisit down nito ni Zara ever since.
Oo, Dok. Dapat
Oo.
inaalagaan na maayos.
Yeah, so welcome to the first ever Dr. Y Skin Talks.
Thank you so much.
Oo. Pero may gusto din akong isama dito. Siyempre, alam kong ayaw niya. Pero kasi need ko ng help. Kasi
Yes.
siyempre, it's not only me na ang inaano natin, piniprepare yung financial and wealth planning, but also a partner of mine in life. So, syempre, kasama siya. Kahit ayaw niya, guys, he needs to be here because dalawa naman kami in life. So, we are partners in life, but we also have our financial partners. So, I would like to call on, syempre, my one and only, the love of my life, my best friend, my frenemy, my everything, Mr. Rex Lozano. I love you. Oo.
Wala akong mic eh.
Yes. Yes. So, dapat dito ka.
Parang hindi ko yung pakikita.
Yes, para ngayon lang kami
Okay.
nagkita again, guys. So, right now,
lahat, ipapaserve na lang muna natin.
yes, so Richard
Richard
Coffee, okay, will be serving their mga, how do you call this, yung mga best sellers nila. So ako, I got the matcha green tea, hot, also Boss Rex, and also, syempre, tea for our guests. So thank you, Sir Chad Bugo, for having us here in Rich Chad Coffee. Wow! Wow! So guys, I love their matcha green tea.
Yeah.
So ganda oh, may art. Oo, latte. Ano yun? Art. Oo. So ito guys, one of my favorite is your matcha green tea. Oh, matcha green tea is actually healthy. So, and then we have here yung tuna pesto on top with bacon. So, ita-try natin to later. And then they have their blueberry cheesecake. But I think meron silang different name. Kanina, oo. So, yon. So, later guys, darating din yung mga hot tea ng ating mga guests. So, guys, so here with me are three of the hand-picked financial advisors. Actually, hindi sila hand-picked because they are really my financial partners, kami ni Rex. So, sila ang nag-guide sa amin along the way.
And we always tell our friends if they need someone to talk about their wealth, we always
Yes.
consider telling our handpicks and mga friends.
Kasi there are always a phone call or a text away.
Very
Very understanding. Kasi alam nyo naman guys, you know, sometimes business is good, sometimes naman business is not good. Pero gusto ko rin i-relate to sa mga madlang people on how they can also go about having life insurances without necessarily having the misconception na parati kasi iniisip natin, expenses siya. Actually, when I started getting life insurance, that was on my head. So, that's actually
nababawasan yung pera.
nababawasan yung pera mo.
Parang
Pero,
wala napupuntahan.
yes, pero sila actually ang tumutulong sa atin na hindi ganun yung isipin natin. Instead, it's actually a savings.
Saan ba natin natutunan yan?
Actually, silang tatlo. Oo. They will always tell us, so isinisit down nila kami, for example, kung ano na meron kami, and then the others also will actually try to, yan, titingnan niya kung ano na yung meron. So, we'll add up another to help also. So, hindi lang din nakafocus sa atin, kundi sa kids din natin.
Pero balikan natin, paano ba tayo napauumunan nila Sarah? Did we started with Zara?
Oo,
Getting life insurance.
Tatanungin ko nga si Zara.
Paano ba kami napao? Nag-release lang kami ngayon. Kasi before, na parang, we're not very supportive of the insurance, you know, expenses nga tingin namin. But
Yes.
after that, we realized, parang sayabi lang namin ni Sarah na, let's sit down, I'll have to, ano lang.
Kasi hindi lahat ng Pilipino mahilig mag-ipon. Oo, they always
Paano nga ba nag-start?
Usually kasi when I started with my clients, we always sit down with a financial planning activity. So, I'm not sure if you remember, nag-activity tayo, tapos we try to compute what is the current lifestyle of the family.
Yes,
and
I
then we
remember
included your business operations also.
Oo.
So, syempre, hindi...
Yes.
Doc, go ahead.
So doon nalaman ni Sarah na ang dami pala naming expenses.
Oo.
Unnecessary.
Hindi naman unnecessary lahat. Pero of course, ano yon, parang nag-a-adjust. That's why it's good to identify, tina-track natin ano yung budget sa bahay and then also sa business natin. Because we get to see the overview, okay, of where we are today and where we want to go. So yun, na-compute natin. And then, siguro Doc, at that time, you were siguro mga 5 years younger pa. No?
Yes,
Oo.
that's true.
So, let's say, no, ayun, may specific amount every month. Huwag na lang natin sabihin, naka-data privacy tayo. Pero, ayun, we annualize that amount and then we computed kung ilang productive years pa kayo, Doc, mag-business.
Yes. Oo.
So, for example, that is still mga 25 years. So, whatever the amount is, the annual amount you compute for the next 25 years, that's the amount that you need to protect you for.
Yes, kasi alam nyo naman, pag mga doctor, so we finish our specialization siguro mga around 35 years old. That's
Exactly,
32 to 35 years old. So that's the only time we are starting to build our practice. So ngayon naman kay Ate Kichi. Si Ate Kichi is
Paano nga ba, ate?
batchmate, ay hindi naman batchmate, higher batch sa akin sa Leyte Normal University. So how did you encourage us also to get life insurance?
But by that time kasi, Doktora, you got the life insurance from me. I believe so na may existing na kayo from
Yes.
Zara,
Oo,
di ba?
yes.
However, you wanted kasi to have life insurances from other company. So that is why I believe that you were the one, I think it was Rex, who called me and told me, di ba?
Yes.
Ate, ang dami naming pera, kaya lang, hindi namin alam.
No, that's not true.
Kaya lang, we don't know kung saan pa namin
Hindi, no,
ilalagay.
that's not true. We were panicking for our kids.
Yeah,
Kasi,
Hindi, pero the first time kasi, you were the first one who got, tapos si Rex, and then the kids.
oo.
Yan.
Ang tools sa amin ni Sarah before, you do not put your money in one basket.
Exactly. Yun. I remember that one. I remember you
Yes.
telling me that one.
Oo. So,
Tapos ang pinakamakulit,
tapos may pumasok na pangatlo.
super tiyaga mo sa amin.
Oo. So,
Hindi
nandito.
ko alam kung how many times did you visit
Hindi ko na maalala. Basta several times yun.
just say, kamusta?
Kaya, I'm a fan of visiting your clinic because I was a medical representative before.
So, doon ko naman namin na-establish yung relationship namin ni, Kuya Deo. Okay. So, alam nyo, syempre, dahil meron tayong mga guests, so very important na meron tayong mga tanong. Parang isang tanong, isang sagot. O, di ba? So, we'll ask some questions. So, we prepared some questions for our guests. So, number 1. So, kahit sino naman pwede sumagot. Oo. So, as you all know, what are some practical steps that we can take in order na mag-build tayo ng pinaka-solid financial foundation.
Oo, kasi-
Lalo na nowadays. Oo.
May sinasabi sila na pangmayaman daw ng life.
Oo.
Di ba may connotation na gano'n?
Yes,
that's true.
oo.
Sino ba dapat ang may life insurance?
All walks of life ba should have
Yes.
life insurance?
Everybody
Oo.
should have a life insurance, Doc. Kasi actually, we have this misconception about life insurances that it only offers death benefit.
Yes, kasi
It
yung
is not
una kong
true.
alam, pag namatay ka na,
No.
hindi ikaw yung magbe-benefit,
No.
kundi it's your family members.
No.
Oo.
Life insurance, it also offers health
Okay.
and, wealth. Pwede din siya nating magamit for hospitalization. At the same time, pwede din nating magamit siya for retirement.
So meaning it's not only after death, syempre yung mga family members natin that they will get also benefit from life insurances, but as well as when you are alive.
Correct.
and
That
kicking.
is true.
Kanina sinabi ni Ms. Kichino that everybody should have insurance. I definitely agree with that.
Yes.
Pero syempre dapat may pila.
Yeah,
So usually
true.
we start with the breadwinners.
Okay.
Usually they are the parents or someone who is bringing in the money every month sa bahay. Sila yung una natin pinaprotect because just in case something happens to them,
Yes.
diba, paano na yung income na papasok sa family every month, mai-interrupt siya. That's why it's important to start with the breadwinners or the parents para just in case lang on their way to their retirement, something happens to them, there's an income replacement fund that will come in. And the lifestyle of the family depends on the breadwinners.
So,
will continue.
So will not be basically affected totally na parang bumabagsak yung whole family
Yes.
if nawala especially yung breadwinner.
So, actually, kahit hindi pa nga nag-pass away, yun nga sabi natin, di ba, the health and wealth is also part of the plans that you can already avail now. So, we call them the living benefits. Ms.
Yes.
Kichino. So, itong living benefits, once they're alive, they can already somehow use it when they
True.
are recuperating, becoming
Yeah,
age.
true.
So, when we say living benefits, no, it's supposed to take care
Yes.
all our outstanding, lahat ng amortizations, the kids' education, we're supposed to fully pay the house, the car, everything. Kasi kumbaga, as much as we want to retire at 60 years old, diba, mapapaaga kasi yung retirement natin,
Yeah.
45 pa lang, diba,
Ah.
disability.
Yes.
So, while we are not yet able to report back for work or sa business natin, at least this fund will come in, this lump sum fund will come in, and, diba, pay for everything while we are still recovering.
Especially during the pandemic when everybody wasn't prepared because of COVID.
That's true.
Oo. Imagine mo yung health expenses nag-bloat not only
That's true.
thousands of pesos but hundreds of thousands, even millions of pesos.
Almost a billion actually yung payout claims ng company natin. Sa inyo,
Yeah,
okay.
yes. Ano din? Almost a billion din.
So at what age do you want people to start saving up?
Pwede yun.
Oo.
Magandang tanong yan, Doktora. Kasi nga, yung iba sinasabi lagi na, sila lang yan kasi sila lang stable ang job, sila lang yung may pera, o ganon. But napansin ko na pabata ng pabata yung mga nagkakasakit lately.
Exactly.
So,
Because
wala-
of lifestyle.
Because of lifestyle. So, what I did is that I really make sure na meron akong tinatawag na financial need analysis. Sa bawat nakakausap ko, At walang edad dito, walang pinipili, especially if anong life stage ka na. Pag na-identify mo na ako ng life stage ka, like ikaw ba ay itong breadwinner, married with single parent ka ba, may mga anak ka ba, ikaw ba empty nester, retiree, mga ganyan. Something like that. So, all stages of life covered siya sa ibang edad, kumbaga. So, it is a must. So, yung mga bata dyan, normally, they will reject the offer because they don't have that financial stability yet. However, we can teach them to start small. Yan. Yes.
Para at least by the time na medyo tawag nito, they're able to work pa, mas nadadagdagan pa yung nila.
And kung bibuild tayo ng portfolio natin, protection is first things first before we save and before we
Yes.
invest.
Correct.
Kasi we would want na yung lahat ng kikitain natin sa business, sa investments natin, pang future financial goals na natin. Sana hindi siya ibabayad lang dahil mag-accidente,
Yeah,
critical
true.
illness. Kasi if you are getting, let's say for example, a life insurance product with health components,
Benefits.
diba? You're just setting aside maybe 3 to 5% per year in exchange of the entire amount. Let's say, nagsisave tayo 3,000 a month, 5,000 a month, 5,000 a month, and then you have millions of coverages.
Oo, yun. Kasi yun yung naging problem ko. That was actually my mentality. Thinking that when you put money, hindi naman kasi lahat ng tao is into life insurance kasi mahirap dito sa Philippines to convince. But basically, tawag nito, yun yung mentality ko previously na when I, parang it's like spending na worth nothing, pero actually it will help you naman in the future. Kasi it's also saving up now, but also saving up for the future. Oo.
Pero
Sorry.
going back to the protection, nga sabi niyo based yan. So parang sinasabi niyo na if you're just new in the industry, or if you're just new of getting a life insurance, you should start
With protection.
with protection.
Yes.
Yes.
Policy.
Agree tayong tatlo doon.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yun naman ito, this same goes to the very wealthy people. But,
Of course.
Yes,
kasi
of course.
the wealthy people always thinks na invest ko na lang yan sa mga bonds na mga 4% agad. Why do we have to start with protection muna? Hindi ba I get 4% na lang naman money agad if I invest my money in 2 months? Like 4% per quarter. May mga ganyan, di ba?
Oo.
May mga thinking kasi yung mga wealthy na I have money, I just can invest my money.
Yeah. And actually, I am
I will
confused.
just buy realty estate.
Yes.
There's something to do with what we discussed to us before about the right portions.
Yes.
Allocation.
Pero why do we have to start with protection?
And then I want to add another question. Kasi before, I also didn't understand what bond and equity means. Kasi minsan sinasabi nyo, oh, Doc, we have to put it in bonds. And then the other naman, you have to put it in equity. So, ano yung parang regarding about it?
O, para maintindihan ng mga viewers
Oo.
kung saan din nilalagay yung mga pera natin.
Oo.
Kasi pinapaintindi niya rin sa akin. Diba?
Oo.
Kunyari, nag-invest kami. Ayan, puput dito.
Siyempre,
First,
ang alam ko lang medical. Pagdating na dito, nawawala din yung yung knowledge about it.
Nagpapatong-patong.
Nagpapatong-patong.
So, lalatanda niyo pa yung una.
Oo, yes.
Sige. Let me answer first kay Dr. Ano yung difference of bonds and equities? Okay, there are 2 things that the service we provide to our clients. Number 1 is either we preserve their wealth or number 2, we accumulate wealth for them. Okay, syempre, ang bonds, it's something conservative. Hindi siya subject sa volatility. So kung si Doktora, mas dumami pa yung yaman ni Doktora, lalagay natin yan sa bonds. We want to preserve it. But this is si Doktora, my project, in 3 years from now, 5 years from now, she wants to expand new branches. So dapat, more or less, sana, she can take more risk to her investments and put it in equities kasi mga average 10% yun. So, depende sa purpose ng investing. If it's to preserve your wealth or to accumulate your wealth. Now, to answer your question, Rex, yung regarding sa protection, kailangan pa ba ito ng mga high net worth funds natin, yung mga, mga business owners
Yes,
natin.
oo.
Of course, they also need that. Just like the story of the Titanic, di ba? Malaking boat yun. Akala natin hindi na malulunod yung Titanic. Pero nangyari pa rin yung risk
Yes,
sa kanya.
oo.
So, if you are like a Titanic who's a very big business owner, di ba, you need more lifeboats.
Yes.
Di ba? Para to accommodate lahat kapag if there's an emergency na di pa-structure. So just like business owners who have big businesses, all the more, mas kailangan nila ng life insurance. Although, they can afford to pay for $1 million, $2 million critical illness na medical treatments, no? But what's more important is to, aside sa recovery, what's more important is to preserve the business para hindi kailangan magsarado and the employees will rely on them para sa
Yes.
livelihood sila, mas ma-preserve din. Also, kasi nga, yung mga business owners natin, mas gusto nila, yung iba na smart business owners, mas gusto nila iba yung nagbabayad. Yes, they can afford, but they
Yes.
would want someone else to pay for it. Siguro at a 3 to 5%.
Tama yung sinasabi mo,
Yeah,
Miss Kitty, no? Kasi,
Sarah.
Miss Zara.
Tama, kasi nga, kailangan mo talagang mag-set aside ng funds to take care should there be any casualty sa business or mag-collapse ang business natin, someone that will take care, no? Nangyayari ito sa iba. Complacent lang talaga yung iba dahil nga maganda yung takbo ng business. And then, here comes pandemic na anticipated. So, iba nagsara talaga. So, this time, gamit ang mga insurances nila. And they have
Yes.
funds already who will take care dun sa mga needs na pending.
Oo. Okay. So yun. Because I've learned also like, this pandemic, we also saved up for our staff. So yun, kumuha din kami ng insurance para just in case, for example, some staff would would stay with us for longer periods of time, we can at least give mga yung mga retirement
Yeah, covered
fees,
sila.
covered sila.
Yeah.
Yes. Oo.
Doon tayo nagsimula.
So usually ang maraming Pilipino mas baon sa utang. So what would be your take on how do these people get also out from debt? Oo.
So, when it comes to kasi, most Filipinos talaga, parang, as what you've said, parang baon sa utang.
Yes.
Kasi we Filipinos kasi, akala kasi natin, that when it comes to utang, it is normal. Iniisip kasi natin that utang is normal. And tayo mga Filipinos, we tend to have this mentality na YOLO. Diba?
Yes.
You only live once. So, ngayon, let us say, tumatawa si ma'am, di ba? We have this tendency. This is the reality talaga. We have to make bawas,
A friend.
Expenses.
unnecessary expenses. So, what are the unnecessary expenses? Di ba?
Oo.
Kasi ako, nakikita ko talaga ito. Other can afford, how much is the coffee in a coffee shop? That's around 200 pesos.
150
Tama?
to 200
Oh, 150,
pesos.
Okay. And then you try to determine the wants and the needs. Diba?
Oo.
Cut natin. What are
Necessary.
what are the necessities talaga?
Yes.
Diba?
Oo. Diba yung needs, clothing.
Correct.
So, yung bahay, shelter, meals,
That's
utilities.
right.
Oh, essentials.
Essentials.
So, ano yung mga wants?
Yung
Luxury.
yung mga ones yung nakikita sa Facebook, ay,
Correct.
meron.
Oo.
Correct.
So, yes.
Correct.
Luxury
Shopping,
bag.
shopping,
Branded na mga bag.
Diba?
Oh, pero we have nothing against it.
Ah, no
Example lang
disrespect.
ito.
Oh.
Sige, example. Hello, pares naman lang kami ng sweldo, bakit may ganun ka?
That is so me. Sometimes nga I would say this, I think I am earning more than this person is
Bakit may
earning.
ganun ka?
Exactly.
So, mada-challenge ka.
Si Sarah nakagano sa oh. How come parang naano
In
ka?
short, never compare
Correct.
yourself to others.
Exactly. And do not believe everything that you see on social media.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi utang yon.
Utang
Yung
yun.
bag.
Parang 6 months
So,
to
those
pay.
are the
mga
bad
ganon.
debts. Oo.
Okay lang
Yes.
naman yun.
Oo.
Correct, Miss Sarah. Correct.
Oh, yun. According sa income mo.
Correct.
Yes, at the
That
same
is
time,
right.
it's okay naman to loan as long as it's also for business.
Exactly.
Oh, you have
There are two
to.
kinds of debt.
Oo.
There's a good
Yeah.
debt, there's a bad
Bad debt.
debt.
Oo.
True.
Sige, go.
So good debt, you borrow money because you want to leverage that money to expand your business, to
Yes.
make it earn you more profits.
Mhm.
Ang bad debt kasi, yun yung mapupunta sa sunk cost. Alam mo, hindi na mag-roll siya.
Dead end.
Magbabayar ka pambayad ng another utang.
Yes.
Oh, yun.
Or something like that. So one way to get out of debt is to number one, tama yung sinabi ni Ms. Kichi, you lessen your
Mga expenses.
at home. But number two, you can also increase your income. Kami mga
True.
financial advisors, we advise multiple sources of
Yes.
income. We encourage multiple sources of income. Mag-side hustle, hindi lang isang business, hindi lang isang work. Kasi actually, the 8 to 5 work of our employees
Yes,
ngayon,
Yes.
it will only pay for the bills.
Yeah.
So, mga nakakausap namin, di ba
Ayaw yung
talaga
tanggapin
every
yung
time?
ayaw yung tanggapin yung bawasan yung social press.
So ngayon, Kaya guys,
Yun.
siguro pumasok na rin ako doing social media.
Ayun, multiple
Side
sources.
hustle.
Side hustle din. Pero guys,
Eto pa,
Walang income yan.
eto ba, may mangga.
Ay, favorite ko yun. Matamis
You know,
yung
that is
mga-
additional income din.
yes.
Diba? But that is an
Oo.
additional
Anything
income.
naman that is
Correct.
decent and moral, okay lang.
That's
Oo.
true.
Yan na.
See, guys. So I have a next question in relation to the general population kasi gusto din natin maintindihan nila lahat na is there really a tailored fit insurance for the minimum age earners? Kasi ang
Minimum-
pati nilang
minimum.
iniisip, mahal pag nagkakaroon ka ng life insurance.
Minimum meaning 15,000 ang
Oo, yun.
single.
Sing-
So we start it with financial needs analysis. Alam natin talaga ano ba ang background nila, ano din naman ang kanilang spending habit. Kasi dito kayo nagkakaproblema eh.
Magmamahidyan sila, Kuya. Sa 15,000.
Actually tama 'yun. Magkano ba ang 10% sa 15,000 nila? Are they willing? We have to agree, both of us, para matulungan kita kasi 'yun ang trabaho namin. We tailored fit. Actually, pwede magtabi ng 1,500 to begin, to start with.
Is that monthly or is that every
Yeah, it could
quarter?
be a monthly. Yes, a monthly premium amortization doon sa policy na kukunin niya. And sa mga nakikinig ngayon, majority dito ng mga Pilipino ay nasa ganitong wage range. Kumbaga. So that's why madami dyan na nagsasabi na lang na parang pangmayaman lang, hindi tayo pwede dyan. Nadi-discourage sila.
Kuya, no, ang problema din. Sabihin ko lang. Kunyari, nag-start sila 15,000. Yeah. Tumataas yung sweldo nila. Tumataas din lifestyle nila.
Lifestyle
Sila,
inflation.
hindi sila nakakasita.
Maganda yung sinabi mo. Ito ang kagandahan ng insurance. Kasi pag sinimulan mo sa at 1.5 na premium, all throughout the period na nagbabayad ka, parehas naman ang premium eh. Kahit pa man din, nagkaroon ka ng salary increase, hindi siya magagalaw. Hindi siya pa-follow. Kumbaga, nakasteady siya until matapos yung policy niya. Hindi siya covered. May mga ganong policy. I don't know sa ibang mga company na nag-over. But in our company, ganon ang ginagawa namin. All throughout the period ng 10 years, kunyari, ang policy to pay, 1.5 ng 1.5 hanggang sa matapos.
Similar.
okay.
Similar sa amin din.
Nga lang, kasi yan, ang naiisip ko lang, you started single. You have 15,000. Pero there comes a time in your life that meron ka ng asawa, meron ka ng anak. Correct. Yung sweldo mo lumalaki na rin. Correct?
Yes.
So, di ba you should have dapat?
Mm.
Kasi tumataas yung risk mo.
Yes.
Nagiging breadwinner ka na. Correct. Tapos
Correct.
magkakaroon ka na ng mga anak.
Dependent.
Oo, dependent.
Siyempre, when you reach 40 years old, promoted ka na.
Kaya tama.
Malamang ang sweldo mo, 100,000. Di ba?
Kaya nga rin dahil pumapasok kung may meron sila mga side hustles sa mga business or mga sideline na tawagin, hindi ba nag-go-online?
Oh, so
Parang ako lang din yan.
so we add up
Yeah,
another
we add up.
income.
For the
Okay.
purpose na makakuha tayo ng policy, makalita tayo.
Oo.
Huwag tamad, ha?
And it's important na kami, as advisors, it is our job to visit our client at least once or twice a year to review
Yes.
yung
Oo.
policy nila and then their lifestyle. Kung yun nga, baka nag-asawa, nagkaroon ng
Oo.
additional child, nag-expand ng business. But
Oo.
first, we have to really fix the mindset of this everyone, the general public, no? Na when they're putting in their 100 pesos a day or 50 pesos a day, that's 1,500 or 3,000 a month, please know that this is you making your hard-earned money work even harder for you. Sana ganun yung mindset nila. Growth and abundance mindset. Kasi, yes, it's a kind of bill. Parang kuryente natin.
Oo.
Pagbayad tayo sa Leyeco. Diba? Pag hindi tayo magbayad, makakat yung service. Same din sa insurance. Pag if they will stop paying for their premium, hindi na rin sila kasi makakovered. But if they will think of this, itong 50 pesos na nilalaan ko every day, is the same ko 1.5 a month, then I'll put it in an insurance company para maging 1 million na coverage for life,
Yes.
500,000 sa critical illness or accident. Then this is like making your hard-earned money work even harder for you. Sana ganun yung mindset.
Oo. Okay. So next, how can we plan for major financial goals such as buying a house or funding yung mga children's education na hindi nako-compromise yung current lifestyle natin? Okay. So ano yung mga pwede nating gawin?
Sa areas of financial planning, no, there are 6 areas kasi of financial planning. We start off with protection. And then we do the children's education. We do our retirement. We do the medium to long-term goals. And then yung last is we distribute our wealth. Okay? O pwede ka rin muna mag-save and invest, medium to long term na kasi yung save and invest, then you distribute your wealth. So when you say medium to long term goals, okay lang yan. Mag-start ka ng kids education,
Oo.
mag-expand ng business, but please, sana tapos na yung protection part. Kasi,
So unahin mo na yung protection.
Dumaan ka muna again sa protection. Now, if you're done with that, sige, review tayo. What's the income pumapasok every month? Yung cash flow. It's important to look at our cash flow. Ano yung how much pumapasok every month? How much yung lumalabas every month? And then let's check if meron pa in between. Kung gusto mo talaga, you really decided to prepare your child's education, and if it's kulang, then you have to make kayod pa more, di ba? Magbe-business ka pa, you do more selling activities para may fund ka for your kids'
At saka,
education.
Sir, bago
Yes.
ko makalimutan, baka
In short, hindi talaga mag-stop mag-work.
Correct.
Work. Sipag
kaya
talaga.
sabi mo, di ba, you find na you find work, you are passionate.
Yes. Para hindi siya iniisip mo na nakakapagod yung
Ikigai.
trabaho.
May Japanese term dyan, ikigai.
Oo, yun.
So what you love to do.
Pinag-style ka lang na nagtatrabaho. Correct.
Oo.
Katulad ko ng trabaho ko lang maging husband. Kaya ginagalingan ko, guys.
Sana all.
Very supportive. Oo.
Kaya hindi kami naglo-loan, guys. Kasi every time we get loans,
Dadating si Zara.
iniisip namin yung sasabi ni Sarah parati na to get the protection every time. Para the moment you cannot pay, insurance to back.
To back up,
Ang loan
yes.
kasi pwede ma-insure. O, did you know that?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, pwede
Actually, hindi
pala.
siya pwede ma-insure. Dapat siya i-insure.
Sure.
Correct. Kasi parang hindi babayaran ng mga
Oo.
mga anak
Yes.
yun yung mag-burden.
So para hindi ma-burden, ma-transfer sa
Ma-transfer yung
mga liabilities.
Actually, kahit disability pa. Okay, let's give an example.
Oo.
Let's say you want to put up a commercial building.
Yeah.
Okay, may lote kayo, you want to put up a building. Siyempre, you don't want to get it from your business cash flow, no? You can borrow an amount from the bank. Let's say hiram tayo mga 20 million. Let's say lang, no, 20
Oo.
million is enough to put up a commercial building.
Yes.
I'm not sure if that's the amount today. Baka siguro 40 or 50 na lang. Magbabayad tayo ng 50M sa bank because we want to put up a commercial building. Of course, the bank will get the title property for that kasi bibigyan kayo ng cash eh. So, hindi naman siya clean. Mga ilan lang ang pwede mag-borrow ng 50M na clean, okay? But pero tayo, we need to give the bank collateral. So, now that we gave the title to the bank, they gave us 50M. Siyempre, de-develop natin yung area. Tatayuan natin. Of course, the value will double or triple. Hindi na lang 50M yung value ng lote na yan kasi tinayo na natin yung building. Now, that's why I keep telling you na I need to protect you for that amount kung how much yung niloan natin. Kasi just in case, let's say that's a 7-year loan, just in case, on our way to 7th year, something unexpected happens. Let's say kahit buhay pa tayo, but we cannot report for work.
Yeah.
Kasi nagre-recover pa.
Oo.
So, anong trigger? Either the accident, the critical illness, or the disability. That's the perfect trigger to release the 50M from the insurance. So that 50M, you will go to the bank, pay that 50M, and then get the title, kasi fully paid ka na. And then you get to keep the property na dinevelop nyo. So, dapat kasi, hindi ma-foreclose. Kasi if wala na tayong pang-amortize din every month, hindi tayo insured, magre-resort na talaga tayo sa utang. O, dadami yung utang, high interest pa. Yeah, ma-foreclose.
So now I understand kung bakit kailangan, like ako, I'm a doctor, so ang kamay ko is actually very precious. Kaya hindi ako pwede, guys, mag-exercise yung mga boxing, mga ganyan. Kasi, syempre, mga high risk yun. So, importante yun pag nag-o-opera kami. Alam nga naman, nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Ako, guys, yung katawan
tapos
ko.
yung sa accident.
Kasi kailangan ko ni Doktora.
Naman.
Ay ko. So, kaya pala very important na yung protection. Oo.
Actually, doktora.
Pag nawala tong sexy body ko,
Wala.
baka hindi na ginahan si Doktora magtrabaho.
Ay ko.
Iba ko yan.
Alagaan na.
Tama yun. I feel you.
Ay, Billy.
Uy, ang dami natin natutunan to, di.
Oo.
Ang dami ko bang gustong itanong. Ano pa ba?
May additional tip pa ako sa mga viewers natin, Doc. 1 billion ang net worth niya.
Most importantly, kuya, yung mga nation builders.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi they're making the economy. So,
I thought because sila, I'm less.
mo yun.